Do this squat to reverse aging, because if you can't get down into a low squat, or if your body weight squat looks like this, congratulations, you have adult male mobility and it will haunt you for years to come. You may not be able to reach depth because your hips, your knees, and or your ankles don't have the mobility to allow you to lean forward, and it forces your center of gravity backwards until you finally fall on your butt. Stretching isn't going to do much to help you get deep here, but you can get there by using a counterweight, and the goblet squat gives you just that. Putting the weight out in front of you instantly pulls you forward and balances the center of gravity, letting you sit straight down instead of tipping over. It forces you to stabilize your core, and it lets you cheat your way into depth. You get to cheat your way into long-term success with this one. Grab a kettlebell and squat down as deep as you can, and you'll notice yourself steady at the bottom, because this fixes your squat instantly. Here's why. You probably sit a lot, and sitting wrecks your hips. It creates stiff ankles, and it weakens the muscles that stabilize your squat. Combined with the fact that most adults never practice getting low to the ground anymore, and it's no surprise that the squat has become basically an obsolete movement for most people older than 10. So when life does require you to get into a squat, your body can no longer do the things it was designed to, but the goblet squat fixes this. A single light kettlebell gives you just enough counterweight to get past all that stiffness and finally get deeper. It lets your midsection stay naturally upright. It allows your hips to drop safely below your knees. And for the first time in what might seem like forever, you can get into a deep, healthy, natural squat pattern, a range of motion that your body has probably been missing for decades. You might not be able to stay down here long, at least not at first, but you're here, and that's what's important. And we're just getting started. Your core's real job isn't to do crunches or side bends or sit-ups. It's to brace your spine and protect it from being pulled out of position by external forces. And this becomes absolutely critical as you get older. When trunk stability weakens and the core stops doing its job, all that work gets dumped onto the lower back and things start to break down from there. But the goblet squat changes that instantly. The weight is held slightly in front of your body, so your deep abdominal muscles have no choice but to fire hard to keep your torso from bending forward. It challenges you to brace and stabilize and maintain a solid spine under a load. And that builds deep core strength that actually protects your lower back, which makes bending and lifting and everyday movement safer, stronger, and more controlled. And with a stable spine in place and the core doing its job, the body can finally start coordinating everything below it. As we get older, our ability to sense where our body is in space starts to decline. We lose stability and we stop trusting our feet. The feet stop feeling reliable and control slips without you even realizing it. And that's why so many men develop painful knees, stiff ankles, and balance issues. But again, the goblet squat will fix all that. The front-loaded position demands instant muscular tension from your feet to your shoulders and all the way through your arm. To stay upright, your body has to create a solid 3-point connection between the big toe, the pinky toe, and your heel. And that tripod in the foot re-engages the stabilizers that haven't been working for quite a while, especially with the invention of modern footwear that actually takes away the support your feet need. The kettlebell forces your muscles to fire together from your butt all the way down to your knees and even into the small muscles in your feet. And this rebuilds the entire chain from the ground up. This one move rewires your ability to balance, to coordinate, and to work as one unit, something that becomes absolutely essential for preventing falls and maintaining independence as you age. And you can even build up some decent arm strength just having to hold it out in front of you. So the kettlebell goblet squat is the key to getting your normal squat patterns back and increasing your mobility back to what you had when you were 20. But how do you actually get started? It's actually pretty simple. Here's how you do it. Grab a kettlebell, hoist it to your chest, and hold it by the horns. Take a slow breath in as you drive your knees out, you drop your hips back, and you lower your butt to the floor. Sit down here for as long as you're comfortable and then hang out here for a few seconds more. You don't need to be down here for longer than, say, about 20 to 30 seconds at a time. If you feel like you're about to fall backwards, just extend your arms to increase the leverage to keep you in place. And you don't really need to use a heavy kettlebell for this. When you're done, just stand back up and repeat for 5 times. Do this first thing in the morning and right before you go to bed. And in 2 weeks, your squat will be 10 times better than it is today. Come back and let me know how it goes for you. And if you want to supercharge your goblet squat, watch this video and add what's in there to the goblet squat for even faster progress.